Guys, Mac Double Tap. I'm going to do another one of my What Would You Do series, but first I'd like to thank Prepper Sidret. He did a video response. Apparently, him and his group had been talking about my video and did a video response with some questions where I might have needed to elaborate a little bit. And it was really, really nice to see the way people are processing these and, how it's affecting, the way they think. And I just really enjoyed it. And I'd like to just thank him for it. But let's get on with today's. It's been almost a year since the world as we knew it collapsed. You are just barely surviving with 4 other people. Life is a daily scavenge for the basics you need to exist. Your group has been reduced to 3 women and 2 men. None of you are related, nor were you involved before the collapse. Your resources are so limited that you are eating only once or twice a week, and clean water only comes when it rains. One of the men from the group comes to you as he feels that you are the strongest in the group emotionally. He tells you that he can no longer take it and there's no more fight left in him. He wants to die. He tells you that he's tried to kill himself for several nights but just can't bring himself to do it. He says no matter what happens, he has nothing left to give. He asks you to put him down, like it's helping him. He wants you to do it so it's not just him walking away, but so the group can retain the things he does have to give. The most important of these items being his sidearm. He has a .22 caliber revolver and just over 60 rounds of ammunition left. Not as powerful as the other 2 weapons your group maintains, but the amount of ammunition he has is double the other 2 combined. He doesn't want his assets to go unrealized by the group or fall into someone else's hands. What some will look at as mercy, others will look at as murder. What would you do?